Welcome mga kaboxing sa inyong paboritong bakbakan show, Manny Pacquiao Presents Blow by Blow in partnership with San Miguel Beer. Ito po ang inyong lingkod na din, Quinito Henson, nag-iimbita sa inyo na magsama-sama tayo sa isa na namang makasaysayang na sagupaan at salpukan. Nandito po tayo sa Sablayan Astrodome, Occidental Mindoro. Naku, magandang mga laban na mapapanood po natin. Alam po ninyo, ang Blow by Blow, marami na pong napuntahan sa Narbacan, sa General Santos, sa Imus, sa Cantilan. At huwag niyong kalilimutan mag-follow at like sa ating mga social media platforms, sa Facebook, sa Instagram, sa YouTube. And that would be Blow by Blow MP. Ang ating mga patakaran, no 3 knockdown rule in effect. Only the referee can stop the fight, and a fighter cannot be saved by the bell in any round.
Excited na, medyo nape-pressure po kasi ngayon lang po. Hindi ko kailangan mapagsabayan sa kalabang ko. Sobrang halaga po kasi doon ka po kukuha ng momentum. Sana po walang mangyari masama sa kalaban ko at saka sa akin na rin po. Kahit anong mangyari po.
Siyempre, makaahon sa kahirap, makatulong sa pamilya para maging world champion balang araw, maging Manny Pacquiao.
Kung saan man kayo sa mundo, welcome sa inyong paboritong boxing show, Manny Pacquiao Presents Blow by Blow in partnership with San Miguel Beer. Ito po ang inyong kaboxing Quinito Henson Dadin inviting you. Samahan nyo kami for another edition ng Bakbakan at Salpukan. Nandito po tayo sa Sablayan Astrodome, Sablayan Occidental Mindoro. And this was the same place where Senator Manny Pacquiao made his professional debut in 1995 at the age of 16. Ang ating partner, San Miguel Beer, has been a strong supporter of Blow by Blow and Senator Manny Pacquiao's vision to provide a platform for outstanding Filipino boxers to showcase their skills. Our upcoming fight is a 4-rounder in the minimum weight division. Si Kane Recto. Kalaban po niya si Rickson Hanginan. 4 rounds. Both these fighters are making their professional debut at 105 pounds. Ang ating tail of the tape, makikita po natin that si Kane Recto po is 5'2.5" at si Rickson naman po 5'1.5". But may reach advantage si Recto. Pareho po silang kanan. Ang birthplace po ni Recto is Manila at taga Bukidnon naman po si Hanginan. Yan po ang kanilang mga official weights. And now we turn you over to our ring announcer, Bobby Mandihar, for the official intros.
Ladies and gentlemen, introducing the fighter coming into the ring, Kane Recto. Ladies and gentlemen, introducing the fighter coming into the ring, Rickson Hanginan. Ladies and gentlemen, Manny Pacquiao presents Blow by Blow here in Sablayan Occidental Mindoro Astrodome in partnership with San Miguel Beer, in coordination with Mayor Walter Bong Marquez. All professional boxing bouts are sanctioned by the Games and Amusements Board. GAB Chairman, Attorney Francisco Rivera, GAB Commissioners, Attorney Manuel Plaza III, and Angel Bautista. The Chief of Boxing and Other Contact Sports, Mr. Rodil Manaug. Ringside physicians, Dr. Miguel Victorino and Dr. Chini May Tadeo. Timekeeper, Kim Dangan. Ladies and gentlemen, introducing the fighter fighting out of the blue corner. He weighed in at 104.9 pounds. He's on his pro debut, fighting out of Arcelia's boxing stable, Tondo, Manila. Ladies and gentlemen, Kane Recto. Right across the ring, fighting out of the red corner. He weighed in at 104.9 pounds. He's on his pro debut, fighting out of Gloves and Glory Boxing Gym, Pasay City. Ladies and gentlemen, Rickson Hanginan. Judges at ringside, Gerald Tomeldan, Oliver Garcia, Silvestre Abainza. Third man in the ring, referee Don Arguelles. This will be 4 rounds of professional boxing.
Okay, pro debut nyo pareho. Alam nyo ang rules. Wala ulo, wala suntok dito, wala rin suntok dito. Valentine, okay lang. Pag nakita kong delikado isa sa inyo, ititigil ko ito. For safety reason. Okay? Touch gloves.
Po, ang tinig ng ating third man in the ring, referee Don Arguelles. Matalik natin na kaibigan yan. A very competent referee. Ito po, round number 1, scheduled for 4, professional debut nina Hanginan at Recto. Recto in the red trunks at si Hanginan naman in the blue trunks. Mga minimum weight fighters po sila. Hanginan trying to push some weight here. And moving close to Recto, throwing that left hand. Recto with the left jab, missing with the left. Slugger ito si Hanginan, very aggressive. Recto taking a quick step back after throwing a combination. Hanginan looking to counter. Nakatama doon si Hanginan, ganun din si Recto. At sabi ni referee Arguelles, bawal yung pushing down the head. Right hand scored by Hanginan. Right hand also scored by Recto. Pareho sila nagkakatamaan dito. Recto a little bit careless as he comes charging in. Bumubuha ang kanyang depensa. Natatamaan siya ng counter ni Hanginan. Ito, second warning now by referee Arguelles. And very aggressive kasi ang style ni Hanginan. He's all over Recto. He throws punches again to the back of the head. That's the third warning. One thing you can say that both these fighters are very energetic. Nakatama doon si Recto ng kanan. Ito, ang dami ng warning na binibigay. Mukhang mabibigyan na ng point deduction.
Hey! Doon, hey!
O, sinasabi ni referee Arguelles, doon muna siya sa neutral corner. So, tinawagan ni referee Arguelles ang ating mga ringside physicians, si Dr. Ginny May Tadeo.
Kaya mo pa? Sigurado
Ito, tinatanong ni referee Arguelles kung kaya pa niya. There is a cut in the corner of the left eye of Recto. from an accidental headbutt. Recto scoring with the left hand. Recto now throwing some nice combinations. Tinamaan siya ng kanan ni Hanginan. Both these fighters are throwing everything they have. Nasa round number 1 lang po tayo dito. And that's a takedown coming from Hanginan. Oh, big shot coming from Hanginan. And will they score a knockdown because the ropes prevented the fall, but he was really on the way down. That's a good call by referee Arguelles. Round number 1, bumagsak po si Recto. And that's time expired in round number 1, but before the round, Recto going down, he was held up by the ropes, but he was on his way down, kanya tinawagan siya ng knockdown. Ermi Arcillas ang trainer po ni Recto. He took some hard shots from Hanginan. Ay, dito makita natin yung mukha ni Recto. Ang dami ng tama, ang dami ng pasa. Hanginan, very aggressive, two-fisted fighter. Ito, panunin po natin kung ano nangyari dito. There's going to be a lot of big shots connected actually by both these fighters, and that was the big punch. And that was ruled a knockdown. Tama yun. Bumagsak na po si Recto. He was held up by the ropes. And you see some damage there near the corner of the left eye ni Recto from an accidental headbutt, but he went down from a legit punch coming from Hanginan. Hanginan was given at least 3 warnings by referee Arguelles in the first round. Kasi bara-baran style ni Hanginan. He just wants to come close and throw some big shots. Recto, he knows that he has to come back from that handicap of a knockdown in the first round. Sabi ni referee Arguelles, huwag kayong pipigil, baka masundo kayo. You have to defend yourself at all times. And you gotta keep fighting unless the referee stops the action. Recto, a game fighter. He's giving as much as he's taking. Yung na kulang sa power si Recto, while Hanginan, when he throws his punches, ang lalakas, malulutong. And there's a punch again to the back of the head. Baka mabigyan na ng 1-point deduction. O sinasabi naman ni referee Arguelles, just keep on fighting. Shot to the body there by Hanginan. And then a left hand coming from Hanginan. Recto's taking a lot of punishment in this fight. And we're only in round number 2. But he's a game fighter. Hindi siya umaatras. Oh, big left hand to the jaw of Recto. And the right hand coming from Hanginan. Oh, another shot coming from Hanginan. The crowd sensing that this fight might be coming to an end. Ang dami ng tama na natanggap ni Recto from Hanginan. Now Recto on top of Hanginan. Hanginan back against the ropes, but he quickly swings away, spinning away from Recto, and now scores with the right hand. Hanginan, but Recto also scoring with the right hand. What a game fighter this Recto is. Hindi siya umaatras dito. And he's right in the face of Hanginan, trying to inflict some punishment. The same kind of punishment that he has taken from Hanginan. What action we're witnessing here from these first-timers. 10-second clapper. Binababa na ni Recto yung kanyang mga kamay, and that's dangerous He opens up his defense for Hanginan to take advantage of. Another big round there for Hanginan. Although Recto making a terrific fight out of it. Kompleto po dito sa Sablayan Astrodome, pati round girls, meron po tayo. At nagsisigandahan po sila. Punch of the round. Abangan ng suntok din ito, mapapanood po natin. Courtesy of San Miguel Pier. That was a shot to the left, or rather, a left hand to the jaw of Recto. And Recto acknowledging the punch by nodding his head. Punch of the round brought to you by San Miguel Beer. Round number 3 coming up. At sabi ni Referee Arguelles, doon muna kayo sa neutral corner. Ano ba nangyari doon? Ah, naku, ang daming tubig. Ano ba yan? Hindi naman pwede yan. Binuhusan yata ng tubig si Recto ng kanyang cornerman, and there's a pool of water now inside the ring. Aba, hindi pa pwede yan. Dapat may batya. And I remember back in the day, na-pick up natin yung practice of using yung batya during the timeouts in between rounds so that water is not spilled on the canvas. Okay. Tuloy ang laban, round number 3, scheduled for 4. It's been a tough grind here para kay Recto. And he's taken down by Hanginan. Ito, bibigyan na naman ng warning. Eh dapat yan, mabigyan na ng point deduction. Yun, nabigyan na ng point deduction. Tama ang ginagawa ni Referee Don Arguelles. So round number 3, may 1 point deduction. Si Hanginan, sa dami na naman ng mga infraction na ginawa niya. Dapat lang. But a very decisive and authoritative move coming from Referee Don Arguelles. Ayun, sabi niya, huwag niyo titigil. Sabi ni Referee Arguelles, go! Oh, tumama doon yung kanan ni Hanginan right in the jaw of Recto. Recto might have gotten hurt that time. Ito, lumalaban pa rin, maski na paano. Si Recto, scoring with the left hand, si Recto. But just too many punches being thrown by Hanginan.
Break, no punch. Step back, step back.
Volume puncher dito si Hanginan eh. And si Recto is trying to match the volume of punches being thrown here by Hanginan. But the big difference is Hanginan has more power than Recto. Kanya sa mga tama ng dalawang boksingero, mas may impact yung mga tama ni Hanginan kaysa sa mga tama ni Recto. Si Recto naman na nabigyan ng warning ni Referee Arguelles. Very aggressive si Recto as he tries to get this round from Hanginan. Pero binababa niya yung kanyang dalawang kamay. And as we mentioned earlier, that's a very dangerous thing. Sumuot yung ulo ni Recto in between ropes. Rope strands.
Break. Come on, step back. Box. 10 seconds. Tatalikod. Go!
That's the end of the round. And the last round coming up. It's been a good one. First round, bumagsak po si Recto. Nabigyan ng 1-point deduction si Hanginan in round number 3. So ang dami na pong nangyari dito sa laban. Panoorin po natin ang ating punch of the round. Hanginan putting in his licks there, but Recto also connecting with some nice shots. Yun ang matinding kaliwa. That left hook connecting for Hanginan. And here it is, the final round of this 4-round affair. Recto kontra Hanginan. It's been a dandy. Big shot scored there by Hanginan in combination. Walang retaliation coming from Recto. Huwag niyong kalilimutan po, subscribe and follow us and like ang ating mga social media platforms. Sa Facebook, sa YouTube, sa Instagram. That's Blow by Blow MP. Right hand connected there by Recto. Such a game fighter. But I think he's overwhelmed here by Hanginan. Hanginan very impressive with his power for a 105-pounder and also his very aggressive style. Parang nga hindi bagito si Hanginan. There's a small welt on the left side of the forehead of Hanginan. But the left cheekbone of Recto showing a nasty bruise. Ito referee Arguelles again. Pagsasabihan si Hanginan. Very aggressive kasi si Hanginan kanya. Kung minsan hindi niya napipigil ang kanyang mga ginagawa sa loob ng ring. Si Hanginan naman complaining to the referee. Ang tawag po kay Hanginan, the Hurricane. Aba, parang Rubin Hurricane Carter, a middleweight contender back in the 1970s, 1980s. Nice right hand scored there by Hanginan to the side of the face of Recto. Recto continues to throw those punches, but he's not hurting Hanginan. And that's the big difference. The power of Hanginan is just too much for Recto, while Recto's power, kayang-kaya ni Hanginan. But both these fighters are volume punchers. Take a look at what they're doing, and now the crowd is applauding and roaring as the fight comes to an end. What a fight! Both these fighters very game. And Recto being carried by his trainer. He's all fagged out, but he never took a step back. He's got that cut, the corner of his left eye, but you have to give him A for effort. Hanginan is gonna walk away with this victory. Yun ang ating prediction. But credit to Recto for putting up a strong fight. And there's blood oozing out of that cut over the left eye of Kane Recto. Panoorin po natin ang punch of the round brought to you by San Miguel Beer. Right hand and overhand. Right, connecting on the face of Hanginan by Recto. You know, a shot like that with more power would have brought down Hanginan. Pero kayang-kaya ni Hanginan yung power ni Recto. And now we await the final decision from our ring announcer, Bobby Montejar. And a nice embrace, sporting gesture on the part of Recto. Okay, hinihintay po ng ating ring announcer the official scorecards from our judges. Yan po si Kane Recto at nakakap po si Rickson Hanginan.
Ladies and gentlemen, after 4 rounds of boxing, here are the scores of the 3 judges. Judge Tomeldan scored it 37-37, even. And Judge Abainza scored it 38-37. And Judge Garcia scored it 38-36. Winner by majority decision, Rickson Hanginan.
Si Hanginan po nanalo by a majority decision. Judge Tomeldan had it a draw. But tama yung verdict. I thought Hanginan did more than enough to win this verdict. Kane Recto put up a gallant, a very game fighter. And, backflip, ginawa ni Hanginan. Parang Magnifico Bagsayo. And he certainly deserved this victory. Hanginan, his professional debut, a victorious one. Ito po mga highlights ng laban. Recto kontra Hanginan. A very entertaining fight because both these fighters never took a step back. Recto was cut. Recto was knocked down in the first round. Yun. Ito yung knockdown. He was held up by the ropes. Referee Don Arguelles correctly counting a knockdown. At tapos, ito yung fierce exchanges in round number 2. As both these fighters had their licks. Yun, tinatamaan si Recto, but he never went down once more. In round number 3, napigyan ng 1-point deduction si Hanginan for repeated violations of the rules. Kung ano-ano mga ginagawa niya, holding, hitting behind the head. At ito naman, in round number 4, Recto trying to score a knockout but just didn't have the power to break down Hanginan. Hanginan holding on, and he will win this fight by a majority decision. Yun, ang ganda ng ngiti ni Hanginan. Referee Arguelles had to separate the fighters at the sound of the bell because they were still slugging it out. A good fight in the professional debuts of Recto and Hanginan, but it was Hanginan prevailing via a majority decision over 4 rounds. Coming up in our next fight, it's Charlie Anton contra Gerard Herederos, 6-rounder in the featherweight division.
Excited na medyo nape-pressure po kasi ngayon lang po. Hindi ko kailangan mapagsabayan sa kalabang ko. Sobrang alaga po kasi doon ka po kukuha ng momentum. Sana po walang mangyari masama sa kalaban ko at saka sa akin na rin po. Kahit anong mangyari po. Shoutout po sa mama at papa ko. Manood lang kayo dyan.
Siyempre, pangarap ko rin maging profesional kasi pangarap ko rin maging Manny Pacquiao, balang araw, maging world champion. Pumasok ako ng profesional para pumunta ng Manila para siyempre makahon sa kahirap, makatulong sa pamilya para maging world champion balang araw, maging Manny Pacquiao. Pina-prepare ko talaga para babawi sa pangalawang laban ko. Pinag-iinsayuhan ko tapos pinaghahandaan ko para makabigay ng masaya sa aking mga coach, sa aking mga sumusuports at sa aking mga pamilya. Shout out ko pala sa pamilya dyan sa Misamis Oriental, sa pamilya Hanginan, at sa mga supporter sa akin sa Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao na kilala sa akin. Maraming salamat sa suporta niyo guys at siyempre pagdarasal niyo. Maraming salamat sa lahat.
Ladies and gentlemen,